What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in USD CAD. As you can see, USD CAD on the lower time frame, we can find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade USD CAD, looking at monthly to see overall picture. Now, as you can see, USD had back to back quite a few months in a slow downward trend. What we have seen that is starting from here, there was a big impulse from this monthly support zone, and afterwards we have seen the price was retracing to the downside for a deeper retracement. If we take our Fibonacci for this impulsive move to the downside on the monthly, we see that USD still did not retrace to 61.8% Fibonacci level. So what we can expect now, USD CAD, as you can see after the previous monthly narrow candle, this month the price reached that important monthly resistance level, and we see that the price now rejecting. Now with that rejection, what we can expect, USD CAD to break the previous this monthly low and complete a 61.8% Fibonacci level, which can give us a significant trading opportunity to the downside in this instrument. Now let's look at weekly perspective to see how the price action is forming. Now from the weekly perspective, we see the dollar CAD also showing a very strong bearish price action. If we look at the couple of weeks candlestick pattern, we see that starting from here there was a doji, and then the price created this impulse to the upside, followed by every week the price was creating series of lower highs. So what do we see that currently there was, once you see that a couple of weeks ago there is a strong liquidity grab, followed by there is another week we see that there is strong liquidity grab here as well, back to back 2 weeks strong liquidity grab, giving potential for further drop on USD CAD. And at the same time, we see there is a typical head and shoulder formation with this weekly doji, and there is one here giving a potential head and shoulder possibility for a breakdown from this zone, probably to create a new lower low, or at least to this monthly Fibonacci level from the weekly perspective as well. If we look at the daily time frame to see how the USD CAD is doing, we see that from the daily time frame, dollar CAD is also showing a very strong bearish price action. First of all, the market structure, we see that USD CAD, this is the trend line the price was respecting with this 20 EMA on the daily perspective, and we see that there is a strong liquidity gap here. From the daily perspective, the price has broken this trend line to the daily grab liquidity and then dropped again, corrected, and we see the previous day there has been another strong drop breakdown from this daily consolidation and support level. Now this is the daily support. As you can see, couple of candles with this doji has created, which is a significant level of support, and the daily candle closed below this level of support. Is a possibility there now the price to retain below this support and to create new lower low, and we are expecting this price to come back to this monthly level of support after retest of this daily support here turning resistance. And now let's look at for the lower time frame to see how we can find suitable entry opportunity. Now if we look at 4 hour time frame, where we see that a very important area of value here on dollar CAD, we saw that in this lower time frame this is the liquidity grab and also test of this important level of support as a resistance here, and we saw that after this liquidity the price consolidated and has broken down with this long bearish engulfer, followed by a doji, tested the neckline of this pattern here, this support as a resistance, and we see another breakdown. So this is following the typical downtrending market structure. Currently we see back to back 3 sessions a potential again a pullback to the upside. What we are expecting now, USD CAD to come back to this daily support, which is turning resistance, which is also aligning with this 20 EMA on the 4 hour time frame with this long doji. We can expect USD CAD to give us potential bearish opportunity along this zone. As soon as we will find that, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar CAD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.